alright? George?
Easy. Looking well, isn't it? Looking sexy. Father and son, gotta love it. The gang, well done, well done. I see you sent him the right way. I love this, man. Hello, do you mind if I get you? No, good, thank you.
On YouTube?
Nah, hello.
Seen you on your YouTube.
How are you, man? You good?
Yeah, good. How are you, man? How are you?
Yeah, I'm well, thank you. How are you, sir?
I'm good, man. Good, man.
Good.
Like the videos.
Love the schmuck, man.
Thanks.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
that.
Beautiful. God, these knees, eh? Not what they used to be. It's like going through bars here. Alright, how you doing, man? Oh, sorry, sir. How are you doing? Good, good.
Hey.
Don't mind me, I'm just gonna get feet and things, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no worries, man.
You alright, guys?
I better not end up on some CD websites.
Ah, say again?
I better not end up on some
No,
CD
no,
website.
not a CD website, but maybe a CD channel. It's like you know me already, right? Alright, Giza. How you doing?
Up the Villa.
Up the Villa. Well, I'm a Spurs fan, so God bless you. Just cry for me, exactly. Cry for me a bit, you know what I mean?
God bless Son for missing that the other night. Won for the league, that lad, the other night.
Let me
We
fly
did
through.
Villa a favour as well.
Alright, sir, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. I love your t-shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Are you collecting for charity, yeah?
Collecting for Night Safe, yeah.
Let me see if I got any coins.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
Oh shit, I've got no
That's the
coins.
problem there, everyone's on cards.
I know I've got cash somewhere, but have you got change? Don't worry, I'll go to a shop and you'll be here for a bit, I'm sure.
Yeah, come
All
on.
right, nice one.
Perfect, thank you very much. It's
No
nice.
problem, man. And can you just tell me a little bit about the charity?
Yeah, so Night Safe, they do work for children at age 16 to 25. They've got a day centre where you can nip in and they'll provide a safe place as well, but they also have properties where people can sleep if they're in a dangerous situation. So it's a fantastic cause, and all the merchandise that's sold here, the money that will go to Night Safe. So
Excellent. Thank you so much, sir.
people can come down and support it, much appreciated.
Perfect. Excellent. And I'll give you something for sure.
Give them some, you give them some space, boy.
I will do. I will do.
All
When I
right.
get some change from the shop.
Nice one, not
Thank
much
you, man.
appreciated. Also a good cause.
Indeed, indeed. Thank you very
All right,
much.
buddy. Thank you.
Cheers. Love the t-shirt, sir. Love the t-shirt, young man. Good man. Love it. Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
You're right, guys.
Thank you very much indeed, young man. Thank you. Like the t-shirt.
So difficult. Alright, Tar Taylor.
From Carnaby Street to Blackburn, Darwen.
And they actually let you in. We got to
now.
be careful. They allow us in. You know what I mean? I'm coming through.
Which train you got?
Which train you got? All of them. We got all the trains, man.
Oh, train. Yeah, I saw you. You were in London, yes.
Yes, we got all the trains. I can't remember. We went, and then our train was cancelled. We got a different train, and then, but we're here now. We're here, thankfully. You know.
Yeah, I was going to say, I recognise you, innit? You live in Patsy, innit? Yeah, you live down the road from me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I live in Fulham.
Hello. How you doing? Good.
You were stalking. By treat.
What's Dave doing now? Joking. Sorry guys, men of culture and all that, men of culture. Love it, love it. Thank you. Hello
How are you,
people,
mate? All right?
how are you?
How you keeping?
I'm
Good,
well,
thank
thank
you
you.
very much.
Good.
God bless you.
Hello, hello. You right, bro? How you doing, man?
Good time, man.
Good, good. Come on, you know you got to. Come on, Twelage. Thank you so much. Ah, it's all good, man.
Oh, this blah blah blah. I'll fuck it up, yeah.
Sorry, brother. Thank you.
Yeah, the jacket is
No, no.
The ST11.
Sorry, thank you. I'm in your way, sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for my post today.
Perfect. Come on, sir. That's what I mean. Show me the ankles, why not? You know what I mean? Again, no dodgy sites will be seeing this video. Thank you guys. Good man, thank you man. I know man. The future man. We're on our way out. Well, not you. Just, you know, some of us.
I'm still trying to
This is what I mean. You're young and fresh, man. You get me? There you go, my brother.
Nice one, cheers, fella. Top one.
Cheers. Thank you, man. Hello, beautiful people. That will be you guys. You are the beautiful people. It's definitely not me, that's for sure. Hello. Love it. Thank you. Hey guys. So I'm scrolling around. Alright guys.
Yeah, you're well.
Good, thank you. Dun, dun, dun. It's harder getting up each time. Love the cap, by the way.
Cheers.
Super fire. Old school.
Quality out of it.
Yeah, proper.
It's not scarf weather today.
Yeah, nah, it's not. That tea's fire as well. Thank you, sir.
No worries.
Cheers, man. You right, boss?
How are you, mate?
Good, thank you. You right, guys? Looking very sharp, sir. I'm loving this tea. Very nice. Done it. Cheers. All right, brother.
Alright.
Yeah, good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Shoes. Thank you, my man.
No worries.
I think I'm exotic with the angles. Right, boss. Yeah, good, thank you. What's happened? You been kung fu fighting or kung fu? What you been doing?
I wish.
Thank you, man. You right, boss? Good. Sorry, I know someone with a camera. Don't mind me. Just ignore me. Just ignore me. You guys dressed up to look good. Someone's got to capture it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Don't worry. You look just fine, sir. Oh, you're inked up as well, yeah? You take it that serious. I love that. I love that, bro.
Dedication,
I love that.
man.
Yeah.
Dedication.
What a great shot I just took. Alright, guys. Nice one. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Got a sweating ant. You alright, boss?
Great fella.
Good. Hello. How you doing? Good, good, good. Thank you. Nah, lovely, lovely. You alright, bro? Yeah, good, thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, guys. Collective and I save. Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't worry. Thank you. Great stuff. Thanks, guys. Guys, collective and I save.
Thanking you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you take it easy, I'll see you later.
Alright, brother.
I'm going off to Birmingham.
You alright, boss? Good.
Fragile table shots, hands will smack it in here, and it's Mrs. Newcastle. So I didn't see if they give me the postage back, Mel. You wouldn't? They have, yeah, for £4. I keep forgetting to send them the £4. It's just so you think last night so that's all for merch and that's for
Yeah. There's a vintage shop over the road that's selling.
Alright, guys.
Right.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Lovely.
Good.
You
Amazing
picked up the book,
exhibition.
yeah? Ah, yeah?
Amazing.
Excellent.
Yeah, great.
Once
great.
I get in, I'm just gonna camp in there, and
Oh,
they'll
that's
have to chain me. I'll chain myself inside, you know. Thank you, guys. Looking very sharp, by the way.
Thank you.
Hello. Hey. Jesus Christ. Alright, fellas. Don't move, don't move. No, I'm joking. How you doing, guys? Thank you.
No worries.
Cheers, you guys alright?
Yeah, lovely. Thank
Good.
you.
Thank you. Not you as well. I've had that one before. No foot fetish websites, I promise. I promise. Alright guys. Everything well. Thank you.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers, man. Alright, fellas. How you doing? Good. I love this pair. Thank you.
You alright?
I'm alright. I'm sweating a little bit, but you know, the knees are not what they used to be, but you know, it's all good. Thank you guys. You're right, fella. Thank you. Alright, so alright. Hello. How's it going? Thank you. Sorry, bro. Hey, little man.
That's just the cue.
Yeah, that's the cue, man. Well, hardly working, but you know. Hello. You're right. Alright, guys. Good, good. ZX in it out, yeah? Alright. I like your style, guys. I like your style. Love it. Thank you. You're not as stylish as this little person here, though. Just so you know, you lost. You lost to the champ. Hey. I'm loving this as well, bro. Corduroy, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, where's this?
That's the trousers from eBay and the jackets from the Adidas shop.
Oh, nice. Recent or?
About 2 years. So
Very nice.
Dig it out for special occasions.
Yeah, yeah, very nice, bro.
Thank you.
Very nice. I see where the kid gets it from.
Exactly. I love it, so we have
Sorry,
to
I
love
see
it.
where you get it from.
Yeah.
Nice one, man.
Alright.
Alright, sir.
Alright, dude.
Yeah, I'm well. How are you?
Good.
You look good. So, it all matches up. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. No, thank you.
Yeah, to me, you do quick sort of sabbatical and not be on the floor.
Oh.
Amphibians, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Welcome. Alright.
Take care, man.
You too.
Yeah, I'll probably still see ya.